Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to sign in to your epicgames.com Fortnite account. In order to sign in to Fortnite, first of all, open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in epicgames.com and search. Once you get to this Epic Games website, from the home page, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your sign in credentials for Epic Games. You can sign in using one of these social accounts at the bottom and follow through the prompts, or you can also go ahead and enter your email address followed by your account's password on the top. If you are having trouble signing into your account, click on this can't sign in link and follow through the instructions. Finally, after entering your credential, click the sign in button and you will then be able to sign into your Epic Games account. Now, you can go ahead and search for Fortnite in the search store at the top right and then download the Fortnite game and get started with it. After you are done with the download, you can launch the game open and you can easily sign into Epic Games and play your very own Fortnite game. So that's how you easily log into Epic Games Fortnite. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.